bigger one is what you're doing about the environment. I salute you for that. You are my friend for many years. I really salute you. I call upon the people of this region to support the leadership of the county. You must support the leadership. Political contests will always be there. And let me tell you, don't apologize for supporting one section of leadership and rejecting another one. The constitution of our country envisages competition. It doesn't envisage concurrence. That is why you have a right to make choices under the constitution. But once we complete that exercise, we agree to work together, like we are working together at the national and the county level. So this segmentation of our leadership and our people is not good for our country. We shall have another time to do the contest and go back to the people to ask for their mandate. But as long as we are here now, whoever is the MP is the MP of the people. Whoever is the governor of the people. We have a duty to unite our people and work together with our people to make sure that the government agenda is achieved. When a county commissioner, I tell you this, the president does not envisage any discrimination against our people because of the choices they made. He has given express instructions, and I think you have them, that all people must be served equally. There is no room for discrimination against people because of their physical state, because of their religion, because of their political affiliation. We are not here as government officials of one faction. We are government officials for everybody. So I want that spirit to be cultivated in you. When time comes, you can choose your leaders afresh. But for now, the President of the Republic of Kenya is William Ruto. We recognize him, we support him. The Governor of Kisii is H.E Arati. We recognize him, we support him. The administration that is here must align itself to that kind of thing so that service delivery can be easier. We are here to plant trees to make the lives of our people easier and better. You are here as leaders to also support our people to improve on their lives, to make their life easier and better. That is the objective. The other things are really trivial.